In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your League of Legends account. Now first what you want to do is head over to Google and search for League of Legends delete account. Then you'll come to this Riot game page, deleting your account and all your data. Now you want to open up this one and let it load for a little bit. Then what you want to do is come down here, log into your account, and they will guide you through it. Now if you cannot use this one, you can send them a ticket as it says right here, and you have to fill out all of this. Now you cannot just go into an account and press delete. You need to send them some sort of ticket and they will delete it for you. Now keep in mind there will be a 1 month period where they're not going to delete it. So if you send a ticket, you have to wait a month before it's deleted. During that month, you can always send them a new one and say you want to cancel and you don't want to delete it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.